Hello, hello, hello. It's Donna Davis Bell again from Inspired to Create Facebook group and Shiny Treasure Designs Etsy shop. And this is my design team project for Happiness in Crafting by Kerr. And the kit used in this is the Shabby French Collection, and you will find some of the Letters to Rose collection in here. Those are her kits. You can find them at her Etsy shop, Happiness in Crafting. It's https://www.etsy.com/shop/happiness in crafting. So you can go on over and pick up both of those kits. We are working on another page today, and what I have done for this one is, and G has a video on this, I've been doing this in a lot of my journals recently, is I just tore some paper and I collaged here, and then I made this little, it ties closed, but I made this little pull down. I have not glued it down yet. We'll glue it down, but and you can't just use regular paper for this. This is what you do. You fold your paper. You cut this piece, I think it's like, let's see, about 4.5 inches. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 3/4 inches long. And all I did is I folded it in half long ways. Folded it up this way, flipped it over, and folded that up to meet that as well. And then you punch a hole here in the middle on the side, a hole in the middle here, and then you open it back up. You run your seam binding down through, you'll see, back through, and across, and then back up. Now this piece is going to get pasted or glued. I'm going to glue here and here down to there, and then it will fold up, be tied closed, and then there will be a pocket behind. So let me show you again. I'm going to glue here and here. No, actually, I'm going to glue that whole thing down. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue the whole thing down. But first I'm going to glue this my ribbon in place, just like that. All right, I'm going to pull all that tight. Okay. Then I'm just going to glue down this side. Down this side and across the bottom. Let's see, make sure I get that in place properly. I'm just going to hold that down for a few minutes. I want that to really, really stick down. Let me just concentrate for just a minute on this to make sure that I get that glued in place and it doesn't slip off the page or anything like that. Now, as you can see, you have a pull down journaling spot here. And I just love this. She has so many creative ideas, and I just am so inspired by her. And I love putting them into my journals. So now when you want to fold it back up, you just fold it, pull your string, make sure you get it all. We still got some right there. Pull it on out, and then, let's see, pull it on up. Just simply going to tie it closed. Just like that. Now you do have all this excess hanging here. You can just tuck that into there like that. Bring it up, tuck it in. And you don't have to make it as long as I made mine. That's just the way that I did it. G has a better video on this of how to do that. I will put the link below so you can go on over and check it out. But it's just a fun way to, it's a fun little addition, a fun thing to use in journaling. I mean, it's so fun to find creative places and fun places to write when you're, and especially when you're looking back through your journal, to find all these fun and, you know, unique and things there. But that's the pocket we have there. So let's do a little flip through. As you can see, it's already starting to get thick. So we have our signature cover. We have a pocket here. We have a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here. Okay, this flips up, this flips down, and this, whoops, folds out for journaling space. And we're going to put some Velcro here and here for that. We have our letter to Rose, and we have a pocket. Wait a minute, I forgot to tell you. You've got a pocket, I believe. Nope, that's a solid page. You have a pocket here, and then a pocket here. We will be doing something here. We have our little flip downs and flip up here. We'll be doing something here. We'll be doing something here. We have a little, all I did was I collaged a little piece onto this page and then made a little belly band here. We will be going back and tucking something into there. We need to do something there. Let's see, that is a pocket at the top of this page. We'll be doing something here, and then we have our little pull down pocket there. We have our ledger paper here, pocket here. We haven't done anything to the back side of this yet, I don't think. Nope, we haven't done anything to this part yet. So, and you can see it's already getting thick. So that's where we're at so far. And let's just do a quick flip through. And there you have it.